Welcome to the Tool Hut channel. Today we have a 2007 Chrysler Aspen. We're going to set up a used ECM using the top-down Phoenix Smart. Stand by. While you got a second, why don't you go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified when stuff comes out. I welcome any questions or comments you may have down below. Okay, first things first. Any of the equipment that you see used in my videos is available on the website. If it's not there, send me an inquiry off the website, toolhutusa.com. That's TOOLHUT USA.com. My name is Sam. Okay, like I said, it's 2007 Chrysler Aspen. The shop has installed a used ECM, and we're going to set it up using the top-down Phoenix Smart. I have done this similar video with other tools, and I decided let's use the Phoenix Smart for this one. I'll show you it's very similar to the other tools, but let's go ahead and use the Phoenix Smart. The Phoenix Smart is available on my website, and there will be a link in the description down below. Let's get it going. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and ID this vehicle. So we just hit the auto scan. I'll let it connect and ID the vehicle here. Now it does bring up the VIN of the vehicle that it came out of. Not a big deal. We hit local diagnosis. Let it do its thing here. The first thing it's going to do is just bring up the identity of the vehicle. Again, that's from the original PCM. So we're going to go into the PCM and we're going to verify the calibration number in the PCM. So we're just going to click on PCM. We're going to hit enter. I did not do a full system scan on this vehicle. I got a job to do, and that's what I'm here to do. Once it communicates with the PCM here, I'm going to go to module information. And here's our calibration number and the VIN number of the current vehicle that it's hooked to. You see that it says it's 2007 Ram. That's alright. So now we're going to go to the WCM. Somebody's going to ask me why I did it this way. I've done other videos showing that we don't have to do this. This particular vehicle that the PCM came out of did not have theft. So we need to go through this procedure when it does have theft. And I have read the PIN with another tool. The top-down Ninja 1000 will do a good job of pulling this pin. I did not show that part of the video. I apologize. We're going to go to PCM replaced in the special functions under the WCM. Let it do its thing. Going to communicate. It tells you to only do this if you're putting a PCM in it. Okay, that's what I'm doing. This is where it wants the PIN number. like I say, that was red with a different tool. So these are not all the same. It's going to authenticate the personal number, the PIN number. We're going to hit yes. Going to transfer the VIN to the PCM, and then it's going to transfer the secret key to the PCM. Now we're going to go back to the PCM. The vehicle does start and run at this point, by the way. I'm just going to read the codes, and we're going to clear the codes out of it. Invalid skim key, you can see that's a stored code. It does not have a snorkel on it, so the intake air temperature sensor high is going to remain at least through the time that it starts again. And we are done. Piece of cake, right? On down the road, on to the next one. So, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Any questions or comments down below. Have a great day. While you got a second, why don't you go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified when stuff comes out. I welcome any questions or comments you may have down below.